How to encrypt an email on Gmail mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can send a confidential email through the Gmail app on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. So as you can see, I'm already in the Gmail app and I've started composing an email. So I've put who the email is going to, I've put a subject of the email, and I've also put some text in the body of the email. Next, to make this email confidential, I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then I'm going to select confidential mode. Once in here, you can toggle on confidential mode or toggle it off. Now, after you send this email, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download the email. So you can set an expiry date on that. So you can say expires in 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, 3 months or 5 years. I'm going to say 1 day as this is really confidential. Next, you can choose whether this requires a passcode, and all passcodes will be generated by Google. So you can click on standard or SMS passcode. So if you want to send an SMS passcode to the recipient, you can do that. I'm going to click on standard. Next, I'm going to hit save. And now, as you can see, I'm back in the email and this content expires 23rd of May 2022, which is tomorrow, and recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. And then I'll just send the email as normal. And that's all it takes to encrypt an email on Gmail mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.